O ano, pagod na ang katawang lupa mo? And need to recharge and get out of the metro for a day or two? Tara, sama ka sa Dagisdis ng Maragondon, a nature resort and adventure sa Cavite. If you are looking for a quiet and very relaxing place, tamang-tama to sa iyo para mag-recharge at mag-unwind. You will be absolutely blown away by the beauty and serenity of this place. The natural surroundings, breathtaking. Feel the fresh air and the awesome view of the mountain. A very good place to spend a day with the family, tropa, barkada, shota, jowa, because there's something for everybody. At sino ang may sabi na ang swing ay para sa bata lamang? Kaya din ito ng mga young at heart. O, di ba? Talagang Instagram worthy. Hindi lamang para sa kapuso, pwede rin sa kapatid at sa pamilya. Lahat ng network pwede dito, maliban sa Globe at Smart dahil mahina dito ang signal. So, you will really be off the grid while you are here and you get to focus on spending time with your family and friends. That's the good side. There are also infinity pools. Katulad nga nitong isang to, may glass. Kaya yung mga magjojowa dyan, kuidaw. Mahirap na kasing masabihan ng I know what you did last summer. Affordable na rin with lots of activities including pag-akyat dito sa tower at okay naman ang accommodation. Mayroong sariling lock CR which is good. Meron ka ring guest kits with shampoo, toothbrush which is a plus. Meron din mga spectacular views, accommodating ang mga staff. At kung merong kang pagka-adventurous, pwede mong itry itong activity na to. At tama-tama rin siguro ito sa mga team building. Dahil para ka na rin nag-e-exercise habang nandito ka. Hindi ka lamang mag-e-enjoy sa Kodakan, mag-e-enjoy ka rin dito sa giant spider web. Siguro, malaking impluwensya sa atin ng mga movies ng Spider-Man. Kaya sa bawat lugar o resort na mga may giant spider web, ay siguradong aakyatin mo kahit pa nga medyo delikado. Mas okay pa nga yata kung ang action hero mo ay si Superman kasi hindi ka na mahihirapang bumaba dito. Lilipad ka na lamang. Yin, yang, push and pull. Harmony with nature. Creating balance between man and his environment. Reminder lang, since the resort is located in a remote area of Maragondon, where water and electricity are limited, the AC may not be fully operational during daytime. Cavite has a lot to offer, and this is definitely one of their hidden gems. A destination for a quick breather, especially for the Southeast.